right, guys, it's that time. We're about to go for a test drive in a 1987 El Camino. Super clean car. You can check all the detailed photos out at maplemotors.com. We've also got financing information and shipping. We can ship it all over the country here. So what we like to do up here at Maple Motors is take them down the road, point out all the flaws. You can see all the good. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Videos posted every day of classic American muscle cars. This is a pretty clean El Camino. Let's go for a ride. I have a good feeling about this test drive. I believe it's going to go well. Don't want to jinx myself, but this car's pretty nice. Anything that I see that may be wrong, I'm going to point out as we're going down the road here. Turn my phone off so people stop calling me while I'm doing this. Seatbelt's got a little slack in it. The brakes are touchy. Golly, they got some dust on them. You hear them? Car hasn't been down the road in a while. Anything that I see, I will point out. We'll be going over everything about this car so that you know exactly what you're buying. Definitely go stop at the gas station. Don't feel like the kick down's hooked up. The brakes aren't so touchy as we're riding down the road, but they're, I mean, I can throw myself into the dash. They feel great. Kick down's not hooked up on this one. Motor feels good though. Going straight as an arrow down the road. No slack in the steering. As soon as I turn, it turns. I think all of our gauges are working. Engine temp's running about 180 right now, which is good. Only thing that's not working is our clock back here. Nope, got it working. It just started. I pushed the button in and took off. Sweet. Turn signals popping up on the dash. Might as well try both sides. Yeah, both sides are working. We'll pull in here and get some gas. I believe it was on the driver's side here. I can see it back here actually. I'm gonna go over here. There's a big old pothole developed in the parking lot they need to fix. Throw about $20 worth of fuel in here so that we could check the gas gauge again. It's showing quarter tank right now. See if we can get it over half. Oh yeah. She's thirsty, so we're putting about $20 worth of premium fuel in this mullet hanger, and we're gonna head on down the road again, see if we can get some chicks to holler at us. This is a really nice El Camino, guys. I'm impressed. Somebody took care of it for sure. I'm gonna check that gas gauge here in a moment. All right, we got the gas in there. Look at that clock just ticking away. Impressive. All right, gas gauge coming up. Almost full. rolling around this parking lot for a while. There's all your gauges. You can check everything again. Engine temp's about 200. Been rolling around the parking lot, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. Just getting some passing shots. All those shots were made with a Teleson metal telescoping pole. Hold your cell phone and your GoPro. You can get it below. I got it posted in the description. An Amazon link directly to it. Same with the camera. Let's keep rolling. Time to roll on now. This time, I'm gonna put it down in low gear, run it up through the gears, kind of get the R's up a little bit. Hopefully not get a T. Been pretty lucky here the last 1,000 videos. We haven't been pulled over, so try to keep that streak going. Shifting instantly. It's a good sign. Guys, I tried to get the numbers off the back of the motor on this one, and they have cleaned up the block. Looks like they put a layer of blue paint all over the block, made it look nice and pretty. I believe it's a 350 in here. I could not make out the numbers. Like I said, it's quite a bit of paint sitting on top of the block, so you could tell it's been redone. The way it sounds, the way it looks, I believe it's a 350. Without getting the sandpaper out and scrubbing on them numbers, trying to get it all off, I won't know for 100%. There's a big old bump in the road over here, pretty much a speed bump in the middle of the street. We're gonna hit it at a moderate speed. Kind of give you an idea of the suspension. It's very nice in this car. It's right here, nice and smooth. Yeah, you hit that with one of the low riders like the previous videos that I've had. I about hit the ceiling, so perfect example of a suspension test. Gonna run it down the street one more time, shoot back into the car lot, and get us another vehicle going today before this rain moves in again. Ooh, little tire churn. Nice and smooth. Well, you can jump up on the highway, run 75, no problem. Oh, we gotta stop by Brian's. I see a rat rod over here. Let me pull y'all off so I can get you up close. This is one of the local businesses right down the road from Maple Motors. They do wheel tires, custom shop. They do everything that you need. So if you come down here and you wanted to, golly, I'm gonna get out and look at that. That looks cool. Wanted to get some wheels and tires after you buy a car from us. This is the shop. Corvette sitting out here. Look at this thing. Goodness. That's sweet. I'm telling you, they're always doing something wild down here. That's why I drive through. That thing's sweet. Just kind of glance around the parking lot, and we'll head on back to the lot. That's Brian's Motorsports, guys. Definitely check that out. briansmotorsports.com. Wheels, tires, huge selection of wheels and tires in there. Does all the Ford Giotto stuff. So, all right, heading back to the lot now. Well, I hope y'all like this El Camino. So far, so good on my end. Runs and drives good. Be a good daily right here. We'll pull on up in the lot. All of our personal vehicles sitting out to the left there. Still got the gate unblocked today. Luckily, we bought 7 cars this week to restock. Guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We post videos of these classic cars every single day. We ship all over the US. You can find that on maplemotors.com, along with financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. If you like this video, check out the walk around video. It describes the outside, inside, underneath of this car. We have them for every single car on the car lot. I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.